Hi everyone, so this is the demo for task 7.1p. So the purpose of this task is very simple. We try to implement the login and registration page for our website. We utilize Firebase and React Router for navigation on the page, and Firebase to store the login details such as the first name, last name, and email. So that's pretty much sum up of that. So in the task requirements, so you can see the two first require is we're gonna design a login page and the register page, and then configure the Firebase, allow our existing React app is connect to the Firebase, and then when we log in, it's retrieved from the Firebase to validate if our detail is correct or not. So I'm gonna jump in quickly. So for example, I have a login page here. So for example, by the way, this is the currently running for my machine, which is the localhost 3000. I currently set up the app running. So I can minimize it. So first I go to register. For example, demo. I want name to be demo number one. For example. And email is testdemo1 at gmail.com, password, and then I register. When I register, I will set up in our project is the alert notification on the browser on the client side. So whenever successfully, it's gonna be register successfully here. Okay. In the Firebase, so basically, in the Firebase, I have to log in to Firebase using my personal account, and then I was creating the Firebase default .js. Remember, this is just the default template. I remove the actually value here for the security purpose. I don't want to review my API key for the project that I set up. So this is just default. So whenever you come to create a web app inside the uh, inside here. So for example, this is my web app. Whenever you create configure this web app, there was the option to set up the API key over here. So you just copy the template and passing to here. Create something Firebase default. So you can see I got a Firebase just.js, but I use the git ignore to remove it in my commit to the GitHub. So that's pretty much it, how I configure the Firebase to my current web app. So that's pretty much it. So in the app.js, I import the React Router DOM and to render the login register inside my web app. So that's pretty much how it is. So you can see I have been registered successfully. So now I will try to log in. So let's try with the wrong scenario. For example, I enter the wrong password. It's something crazy, and it's gonna say, "Hey, logging is failed. Firebase authentication is wrong." So click on OK. It pop up another message: invalid email or password. So now with the new account that I just created, I input the correct password, and oh, that's demo number one. Sorry, my bad. Put the wrong email. Login successfully. Welcome demo number one. So you can see this is the last name and first name of mine. I store in a database of Firebase. So whenever I log in successfully, it will say it. So click on OK. Go back to the home page, which is good. So how does work inside the Firebase? So you can see I got the file store database just to store any key such as the first name, last name, and email. So you can see This is 3 of them. So this is the one that I just created in the demo, which is called demo number and test demo1 gmail.com. In the authentication, there was the creating the account, actually account using for authenticate this person, and it's used the the user unique ID to be mapping with the file store database that I created here. So it look at the key, finding here, find the first name, last name, retrieve it. So whenever I log in, it will say hello to me. Another quick demo. So maybe let's try with demo 2 again. So demo2@gmail.com, register. Demo2@gmail.com, correct password, logging in, say hey, welcome demo2. So that's pretty much it. It's matching up with the requirement of the task. Thank you for watching.